Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making these cute cupcake coasters. Use them to protect your surfaces while decorating for a baker's birthday or anyone's birthday. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com to get the newest project ideas. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has a materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable templates. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out only the template page. I've added the link for it in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the cupcake tops and fabric for the cupcake bottoms, cotton batting and pinking shears, red fabric scraps for the cherries, and don't forget the printable template. First, cut out the paper templates, then place a piece of bottom cupcake fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place a batting strip and align it with the shorter end of the fabric. Fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the bottom piece of the cupcake template on the fabric at least half an inch from the edge and pin it in place and rough cut around that template. Then stitch a cupcake bottom by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Remove the template and follow the same steps to sew the rest of the cupcake bottoms. Alternate flipping the template upside down and right side up to get 4 cupcake bottoms from your fabric piece. Then use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim 1/4 inch to half an inch outside the stitching lines. Now place a piece of top cupcake fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place a batting strip and align it with the shorter end of the fabric. Then fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the top piece of the cupcake template on the fabric at least half an inch from the edge, pin it in place, and rough cut around the template. Stitch the cupcake top by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Remove the template and follow the same steps to sew the rest of the cupcake tops. Again, alternating them right side up, upside down to get 4 tops from your fabric. And use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim 1/4 inch to half an inch outside those stitching lines as well. Use your fabric and batting scraps with the round template to make the cherries. Stitch them by sewing around the outside of that template very close to the edge of the paper, and use those pinking shears to trim outside the stitching lines. Place a cupcake top on the cupcake bottom and stitch it in place. Place the cherries on top of the cupcakes and stitch them in place. And just like that, just that fast, you have a set of cupcake coasters to use for all birthdays. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.